The Phoenix Nano Scan Tool is designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics, offering comprehensive diagnostics with over 32 reset services and powerful ECU coding capabilities. With its advanced bidirectional control, this tool allows for real-time communication with vehicle systems, making troubleshooting fast and efficient. The tool supports the latest DoIP and CAN-FD protocols, ensuring seamless diagnostics for modern vehicles, including access to FCA AutoAuth for secure gateway tasks. Enhanced with a 2.0 gigahertz quad-core processor and 64 gigabyte ROM, the Phoenix Nano delivers fast diagnostics and is equipped with a long-lasting 6,000 milliampere-hour battery. The 8-inch LCD display provides clear visuals, making it easy to navigate through the comprehensive OE-level diagnostics and service functions. Optional modular extensions, such as the T-Ninja module and ADAS expansion, ensure versatility and precision in servicing high-end vehicles like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi.